So, hello Macho, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Your preparation is on a peak, just like this. In our science, if we are saying this is our graph, so a graph is constantly increasing. Okay, so just study well. Bacha, as I told you, I am the one who can teach you all. It means all means what's maths, science. Science means all science. PCM, PCB, physics, chemistry, bio, all, and social science also. In a social science, economics I will not teach. History, civics, and geography. All aspects I will teach you. I am weak in eco, that's why. Now question come, bacha, how can you teach, sir? That you left on me, everything. Bacha, I have some foundation, some limitation to teach here because maximum of you, my students, are well aware about that. I am going with some online academic also. So there is some rules is there that I should not teach, I should not go through with any online portal. But I stopped online portal there for the 10th class, but 11th, 12th I am going there with that. So 10th class all video I will give here. 11th class also, but not all. But if your love is more, if you want 11th class video also, 12th class video also, I will upload here where I will give you basic tricks. So just be attentive with me. If you have any doubts in a part of a study, then just let me know. Today we will start chapter 1 of mathematics, that is on real number. So understand what is actually real number. Okay. So real number means what? Actually, things are that number are two types. What are they? Real number and imaginary number. Numbers are two types. Which are they? Real number and imaginary number. Imaginary number we also call complex number. That you will study in class 11. That we represent with iota. That is called iota. What is complex number? Inside the root, if any number is in negative, that is known as complex number. Any doubts? No, sir. Next point. So how I will write in this number? We can write this number 5i square also. Real number, again rational number, irrational number, that you will study. I will not teach you that basic because I hope you all know this thing. But if you want this basic concept, then just let me know. Today, I will just give you solution of class 10th, first chapter, NCERT, all question. With that solution, I will give you concept also and related question to all that is expected to come in our examination. So, shall we start? Okay, sir. So, see which one. We will start our class with some concept. So, here I am opening the textbook here. Actually, I don't have a textbook, so I will pay for online. Where is Play Store? Okay. So, chapter 1.1, exercise 1.1 is actually deleted. Euclid division lemma. So, I will not start, I will not waste your time. So, I am directly coming to exercise 1.2. Exercise 1.2. First question, bacha, here. Express each number as the product of its prime factor. So, prime factor, they are saying to express the number in the form of prime factor. So, first number is that 140. So, next number is 156. Third number 3825. Fourth number 5005. And fifth number 7429. Okay, any doubts? No. So, bacha, 140. How will write prime factor? First you take LCM 2, 70, 2, 35. Next 5, 7. So, prime factor of 140, what you will write? 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. This is the answer. Otherwise, you can write 2 square because 2 times repeated, 2 power 2 into 5 into 7. Next, 156. Again, you take LCM 2. What will happen? 78. Next 2, 39. Next 3, 13. So, what is the answer? 2 square, 3 into 13. Any doubts? No. Last digit 5, bacha. So, it automatically divides by 5. So, keep 5 here. If I want to solve this number. 5. So 7 5 is 35. 3 2 7 6 is 30 and 5 7 6 5 again 5 1 2 6 5 1 3 153. Next see 153 in which number 5 3 8 1 9 3 5 1. Next 73. So answer is what? 5 squared 3 squared into 70. What is the answer? Let me see. 3 5 5 right answer. Okay. So same as it is, we have to do this two number. Understand? So I hope first question clear. So shall we move to the next question? Actually, what happened? Just now I finished the class 11th class today. So see the condition of my hand. So what I should do now? We are going with this because you are also important for me. Basically, for all teachers, the students are very important. Same things with me. You are part of my life, bacha. So wherever you will need help, I am always there for you. So just let me know wherever you are stuck in. Comment here and tell me, sir, in this parts I am not feeling good. In this part, actually, I am lacking so much. So just let me know, okay? Next question, bacha. Find the LCM and SCF. Bacha, one concept is there. First number A, second number B is equal to LCM into SCF. It means product of two number is equal to LCM into HCF. Suppose if I give any two number, on that if you find the product and their multiplication is equal to LCM into HCF. I will take example here. Maybe example is there or not. Okay. See, here question is there. In NCERT question is there. Question number I think 4. Question number 4 you see. What they given? HCF they given two number 306 6579. They are asking LCM. How we will find, sir? So see, bacha, what we will do. Now I said A into B is equal to LCM into HCF. Any doubts? No, sir. So A into B is equal to LCM into HCF. Okay. A into B is equal to LCM into HCF. So A is what? First number, second number. So 306 into 657 is equal to 9 HCF into LCM. Next one. So 9 will come down. So LCM is equal to 306 into 657 upon 9. So if you want to divide it. 9 3 is 27. Next 3 carry 3 6 36 9 4 is 34. So 657 into 34. You multiply, you will get answer. So if you will say sir multiply it, then see I will multiply. 7 4 is 28, 5 4 20, 20 and 2 carry 28, 20 and 2 22, 6 4 20, 24 and 26, 7 3 is 21. Next 5 is 15, 1 2 17, 18, 19, 8 3 7 6 13, 9 to 11, 9 to 11 1 12 and 1 1 2. So 2 2 3 3 8 is the answer. See, if you want to take a screenshot, take it. 2 2 3 3 8 is the answer. Right answer. Next question. So next question is that if I will take question number 2, they are saying prove that number taken 26 and 91. They are saying that check that number what according to the rules of A into B is equal to LCM into SCF. They are saying that verify this number according to this formula. So how will you verify? First we will take LCM of these two numbers. So 26 and 91 LCM. So what it will come? See, 26 you take 2 13. Okay, next 91. 91 if you want to take what it will come? 13 7. So see 26 is equal to 2 into 13. Next 91 is equal to 3 into 7 into 13. So HCF is what? HCF is 13. LCM is what? LCM we don't have common and whatever left that you will write. So 2 into 7. So LCM is this one. LCM is 13 to 26. 26 into 7. So 7 6 are 42. 2 carry 4. 7 2 are 14. 42. 180. 182 and 13. So number is what? 26 into 91 is equal to 13 into 182. Put there. So check. So 26 into 91 if you multiply what will be 26. 9 6 are 54. Carry 5. 9 2 are 18. 9 6 are 54. 54 4. Carry 5. 9 2 are 18. 18 plus 5. 18 to 20 23. So 23 right here. 6 6 3 2. So 2 3 6 6. Here you check. 182 into 13. 3 2 is 6. 8 3 is 24. 4 carry 2. 3 2 5. 182. 182. So 6 6 8 5 3 1 1 2. So what is the answer? 2 3 6 6. So it is our right. So this is my verification as like you have to do. Okay. So write down. कोशिश बताता हूँ, तू भाग्य मेरा कहलाता है, तू भाग्य मेरा कहलाता है, तू मुझको कोशिश बताता है. So मेरे बच्चे, मेरे जिगर के टुकड़े, how are you? I hope you are doing well. So let's play holiday or let's play holiday. Okay बच्चा, leave it. Next question. Question number 2, question number 1 and question number 4 we completed. Now they are saying that question number 3. Find LCM. They are saying that find LCM and HCM. LCM and HCM of what number they are saying? First number, I will solve one question, okay? 12, 15 and 21. So LCM and HCM of 12, 15 and 21. What will you do? First find LCM, then find LCM. I directly am writing 12 is equal to 2, 3, 3 to the 6 and 6 to the 12. So what is that? 2 into 2 into 3. 15 bacha. What will we write? 3 into 5. Next. 21 bacha. 3 into 7. So HCF is what bacha? HCF tell me. So HCF will come bacha. What is the common? 3 is common. HCF is 3. In and out tell me. Now they are saying LCM. So 3 common. 3. What left? 5 into 7. And next 2 square. This is the answer. Okay? Right. If you multiply, we will get the answer. So as like you have to do. Okay? If you will say, I will take one more number here. 3 questions is there now. I will take one more. Take. Which one shall I take? Shall I take middle one? Okay. 17, 23 and 29. 17 bacha 1 into 17. Prime number na? 23 also prime number. So 1 into 23. 29 also prime number. Wow, very good. So SCF is 1. LCM bacha 1 into 29 into 23 into 7. Next. Sit. Next question is there. Check whether, I will write question here. This question. This is a very important question. That's why I will write here. And I, according to that, I will give you 2-3 more examples on that. Check whether, the spelling of whether, I don't know. I am very weak in English, na? That's why. Check whether 6 to the power n can end with the digit 0 for any natural number n. So how we will solve? So answer you right. See, in this question, basically, what is the important? The important is that what I should say, words, language. So that language understand how we write this number. How will so right? If any number ends with 0, then it must be divisible by 10. So see bacha, if any number ends with 0, it means it must be divisible by 10. Is there any doubt still now? मतलब question what they say, check whether 6 की power n can end with the digit 0 for any natural number. If I take 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and means 1, 2, 3. Okay, see, if I take n is equal to 1, so 6 की power 1, 6. If n is equal to 2, the 6 की power 2, 36. If n is equal to 3, the 6 की power how much? 6 into 6 into 6. So what will come? 36, 36 into 6, again 6. So it will end with 0 or not? No, it will not end now. Why it will not end? That you have to prove. So that I am going to prove here. So see bacha, if any numbers end with 0, then it must be divisible by 10. So in other words, we can say that 10 means what? 2 into 5. So that number has a prime factor of 2 and 5. It means that number must be a prime factor of 2 and 5, because in a 10 we can write it 2 into 5. That's why. So see, 6 is there. So 2, 3, thus 6 has a prime factor of 2 and 3. 5 is not a factor of 6. It means 5 is not coming in a factor of 6 now. So we say that six raised to power n is not ending with 0. So this is the answer as like it. So understand again. If any number ends with 0, any number that will end with 0, it means that number must be divisible by 10. It means 2 into 5. And that has a prime factor of that has a prime factor of 2 and 5. So thus 6 has a prime factor 2 and 3. Why? Because now I check here. 5 is not a factor of 6. In that 5 not came now. So 5 is not a factor. So we say that 6 power n is not ending with 0. Say instead of 6, this one, if I take one more number, that number is what? 90 power. 9 if I take another number, 12, 6 multiple 12 now. So if any number ends with 0, it must be a factor divisible by 10. It has a prime factor 2 and 5. Thus 12 has a prime factor of what? What a prime factor? Prime factor of? Thus the 12 has a prime factor that is what? 2 into 2 into 3. 5 is not a factor of 12. Thus we say that 12 to the power n is not ending with 0. End out next number. If I take another number, 9 to the power n. So if any number ends with 0, it must be divisible by 10. That it has a prime factor of 2 and 5. Thus, what does 9? 9 is there. 9 has a prime factor of what? What is the prime factor of 9? 3 into 3. It is 3. 3 squared. So 5 is not a factor of 9. So we say that 9 to the power n is not ending with 0. Is there any doubts? So see, 3, 4 questions I have given you, I solved here. If I take one more number, 4 to the power n. So if any number ending with 0, then it must be a divisible by 10. Then 4 has a prime factor of 4 means what? We can write that 2. See, 4 is there. Does does 4. 4 means what? We can write all 2 raised to power 2n, because 2 is squared 4 and n. So we say that what is the prime factor of 2? 2 into 2. 5 is not a factor of 4. Or we say that in a bracket 2 to the power 2n, not a factor of this one. So we say that 4n is not ending with 0. So sir, these are the questions that will come in exam. That is important. Chances are there. Basically in a school level, they may ask this type of questions, but you understand the concept and do it as like this. Is there any doubts? No sir. मैं तुमको शीश बोलता हूँ, तू भाग्य मेरा कहलाता है, तू भाग्य मेरा कहलाता है, तू भाग्य मेरा कहलाता है. Next question, बच्चा. अच्छा, explain. Very good. This question is also good. Important question. Explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and 7 6 5 4 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 are composite number. That you have to explain. They want this one. So see what we will do. See, Bacha, see, before solving this question, you should know what is composite number. So I am writing the definition of composite number here. What is composite number? Composite number is also a number which has more than 2 factors. If that number has more than 2 factors, see, if you write, when you're solving this question, if you write this as a keyword in a symbol in your answer set, then examiner will understand that you know more than your expectation, more than the expectation. So you should use this type of things in answer key. In a maths is not a hard, it's just about the base. What's your base is there. So understand. So explain why this one is happening. So see, I will take this question, you do this question, okay, at home. So 7 into 11 into 30 in plus 30. How will solve? See here number which is common, 13. If I will take 13 common, then what will happen? 7 into 11 into 39 common, here 1 plus 1. So 13 into 7, 11 7 ja 77. So 77 plus 1. So 13 into 78. Now 13 into 78 came now. Now 78 you can take prime factor as like 78 means 239. Next 3 13. So what are the answer? 13 into 2 into 3 into again 13. So see, now it is more than 2 factor, no? So it is a composite number that we have to prove. See, I will give you another example. That example is solved. But here what's the important? Here words are present. You see, repetition is there. Here 5, 5. You will take 5 common, then you will solve. But if sometime in a question it is not available, then what you will do? Suppose I give you an example as like this. 3 into 35 plus 40. I say find composite number. It is there or not. So see, here you are not finding common 14, 14. But you know what you know, Acha. Tell me what you know here. How you can do that number? See, we can write this number 3 into 7 into 5. We can write this number 7 into 2. Any doubts? No, sir. We can take common 7 now. So 3 into 5 plus 2. 7 into 15 plus 2. Any doubts? So 7 into 70. So 17 is not a prime number, it is a prime number, it is not a more than 2 factor, so it is not a composite number. So it is not a composite number. But if I will take another value, what is the another value, sir? Instead of that, if I taken 2 here, okay, no, see. So what I like, I framed question so it happened as like this. So what happened? See, so 5 to 10, 10 means 12. So 12 into 7, so we can write 7 into 2 into 2 into 3. That is more than 2 factor. So understand this concept. So as like we have to do. So I hope for today it's enough. Why? Because actually I am getting late. If you want more, last question is there now. One more what is the net? 18 or 20 bit, I will check. On that question, nothing you have to do, you have to find the LCM and you will get answer. The circular path question is there now. There is a circular path around the spot field. Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive one round, while Ravi takes 12 minutes to time 12 minutes for the same. Suppose they both start at the same point and at the same time and go in the same direction. After how many times will they meet? Whenever you get the question, after how many times will they meet? After how many times? Whenever the words come, how many times? You have nothing to find. You have to find only LCM. So what they given? 18 minutes. Sonia and Ravi 12 minutes. So nothing you have to find LCM. So 18 LCM what? 2 into 3 into 3. 12. 2 into 2 into 3. So what is the common? 2. What is the common? 3. And here, what is that? Both will write. So 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. So 6 into 6. It means what? 36. So they will meet at after 36 minutes. This is the answer. So as like that, whenever you get the word largest, you will always find HCF. Whenever you get the word lowest, smallest, least in a word problem, always you will find LCM. This thing keep in mind and attend the question. If you are not able to solve, then just let me know. Whenever you get in a word problem largest word, you go through with HCF concept, find HCF, and after that, how many they will say? So divide that number. Smallest LCM you find. Okay. So if you like our content lecture, then just let me know. If you want more video as like this, then say I will keep. Otherwise, already I have a ban to take class on YouTube, so maybe it become worse. But for you, I am doing. So share with your friend. Jai. If you will say, I will bring social. But which chapter, which part you want? History, civics, geography, whatever you want. Just let me know. That part I will stop. And which chapter you want. Okay. Jai.